Well, welcome to video number 100 on YouTube. At least that's what YouTube tells me. So to celebrate video number 100, I've got some free stuff for you. And you CNC woodworkers are going to want to watch these because I'm going to give you four free CNC projects that you can create on your own, and they won't cost you a penny. You're just going to have to click on the link that I give you and download the files. Now, these are all easy CNC projects that require very little assembly. So if you're new to CNC especially, these are great projects for you because they're kind of hard to mess up. So with that, let's jump into number one. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is a simple idea. It's a simple concept, but I started showing these off and started getting a lot of attention for these. The fun and cool thing about woodworking, especially CNC woodworking, is that you don't have to create brand new things. You don't have to become an engineer. Take something that already exists and figure out a way to put some kind of little twist on it, some way to do it unique so that it grabs the attention of your audience. So the first item that I've got for you today is a simple set of coasters, but with a twist. So what I did right here is I created just this simple coaster and I pocketed out the middle in kind of a football kind of an orientation. And then I chose to cut these, I guess we'll call them ribs for a lack of a better word, that aren't quite as deep. So this coaster sits there and it's got a very unique design. Yes, it's simply a coaster, but it's a coaster that people don't see all the time and it grabs your attention. They're simple to make. They take almost no time to cut. And then all you have to do is assemble them. Just use your mallet to tap these in. Basically, these little ribs are simply just inlays, but then they're hollowed out there in the middle. Now, you can take this exact same design, which I'm going to give you down in the link below, or you could take this idea and tweak it. Come up with your own unique ways to create things like this. And here's why ideas like this are successful. Because they grab attention. Now, if somebody sees these on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, they're going to stop and look at it because it grabs their attention. It's a typical coaster, but it's attention getting. It's unique. It's something that people don't see all the time. So take those simple ideas and just put your own twist on it. Okay, so the next project we have is not my own original idea. I saw this on Instagram or Pinterest or something like that, and it seemed like a fun project. Now, this is something that you can create with or without a CNC. You don't have to have a CNC for this, but I'm also going to give you that in the download that I'll link below. And that is a simple pencil or pen caddy. Okay, this is just a simple pen or pencil holder, but instead of just making it a cup, I decided to get a little creative with it. And so instead of having one cup, I decided to make it 4 different ones. And you'll notice there is a small pocket down here. So when you drop your pens and pencils into it, they sit right there. Now, is it more functional than a regular pencil holder? No, but it's kind of cool. It's something unique that people might want to have on their desk instead of a simple pen holder. And it grabs people's attention. When they see it, they're going to stop and look at it and wonder what that is. So even if they don't end up buying this one in your store or at your market, they stop and look at it and it grabs their attention. It's kind of an anchor item and it's a simple one to create. Now, depending on how you present this, you could sell this for anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks and they would sell all day. It takes almost no material at all. So all you have to do is cut out the pieces, grab a piece of dowel a little bit less than 6 inches tall, and you can either screw it in from the bottom or you can use wood glue to hold it in there. I would recommend using a screw to hold it in place because the wood glue could end up breaking over time. And as always, you can use a variety of different types of wood to make it much more fun and interesting. I could easily see using walnut and maple and alternating each one of the little pockets. All right, so let's take a look at CNC project number 1, which will be linked for free down in the description. And here it is. It is a simple speaker booster for your cell phone. I've seen these online before. I thought I'd give it a shot, and it actually does work. Now, I can't show you because I'm actually filming on my iPhone. I don't have their fancy setups. But this was a fun, simple project to do, and it's one that you can batch out very quickly, very easily. I chose to make it just a proof of concept with plywood, but you can use whatever type of wood that you want, and it's simply just 3 pieces. I gave this one a diameter of 5 inches. Now you just set your cell phone right down in here, and it's got this opening that is angled outward. I'm sure there's a geometric term for that. And it simply amplifies the speakers on your cell phone. Now, what you can do with this, A, it doesn't have to be a circle. You can tweak this and make it however you like. B, this simple idea or concept can be incorporated into other types of projects, or even if you wanted to leave it just like this, you could easily customize, maybe inlay something right here, possibly put sports logos or school logos with a laser engraver or with a CNC to give it a little bit of individualization. But this was a fun, simple project to do. Okay, now the next project is also a very simple one. All that you need for it is you're going to need an upcut or a downcut bit, as well as some type of bowl bit. And you may have seen this in a previous video, although I haven't really talked about it for a couple of years. This has actually become a really good seller, and it's worth going back and mentioning. This is a great seller around the holidays, especially. All that it is a wine and cheese holder. So you can hold it however you want to, kind of like this. Maybe you can put a handle on it, but you just drop your wine glass right in there, put your charcuterie on or cheese right there, and it's an individual holder for parties. This has proven to become very popular at B&Bs in the area. It's very popular for folks who like to entertain. It's just a cool little thing. And these are great because you can sell these in packs of 4 and they'll sell all day long. Put a price of $40 for a set of 4 on these, and you can sell these all day long. Now, these take almost no time to cut out because all you need to do, number one, is use a bowl bit to give it about a 1 inch to maybe a 1/4 inch of a pocket right there, and then use an upcut or a downcut bit to cut it out. So it takes almost no time, and you can use a variety of different woods. I recommend hardwood if you're going to be putting food on here. I think it's just a little bit nicer and will resist the food a little bit better. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button down below or maybe leave a comment, because those types of interactions, as well as watching this video to the end, tells YouTube that this is valuable content, and it kind of encourages them to promote it out to a wider audience. All right, thanks for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, because in the future, I'm going to be putting out many more of these types of projects, and there may actually be some free downloads involved with those as well. And since you're still here, make sure to check out this video right here, which is full of other scrap wood projects that you can create on your own.